In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code in Google Chrome. QR codes have become an essential part of our digital interactions. Whether you're looking to quickly access a website, download an app, or even share contact information. Fortunately, Google Chrome offers an easy way to scan these codes directly from your browser, eliminating the need for additional apps. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly perform this task. Imagine you're browsing a web page and you spot a QR code. The first thing you'll want to do is right-click on that QR code. Once you do this, a menu will pop up with several options. Among these, you'll either choose Search with Google or Search Image with Google. This feature is particularly helpful as it allows Google to interpret the QR code for you, displaying the information it contains or directing you to the appropriate web page linked within. Now, what if you have a QR code saved as an image file on your computer? Google Chrome has a neat trick to help you with that as well. Simply locate the image file on your computer. Then, click and hold on the image to drag it, finally dropping it into an open Chrome tab. After the image loads, you'll want to right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Search Image with Google. By doing so, you're leveraging the power of Google's image search to decrypt the QR code's contents, giving you the same seamless access to whatever is encoded, be it a URL or a piece of text. Through these methods, scanning QR codes in Chrome becomes a breeze. It's a straightforward process that not only saves you time, but also integrates smoothly into your current browsing experience. Just remember, these steps are convenient for Chrome users who prefer to keep their digital activities centralized within a single browser, ensuring that everything you need is in one place, without the clutter of multiple applications. To wrap this up, always make sure that your version of Google Chrome is up to date. Regular updates ensure that you have the latest features and improvements, not just for security, but also for utilities like these, making your browsing both effective and safe. Thanks for watching today's tutorial and happy browsing.